Hey, what's up, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, the host here at Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. That's right, on the first of every month we do giveaways. Anyways, let's get into another one right here. Today I got a kid's shoe to present to you. It's a real interesting one. I don't think I've seen anybody really reviewing these online. I could be wrong, but what I have right here for you guys today is the Yeezy Foam Runner Mineral Blue. I got it for kids because I simply wanted to get this for my son. I wanted to make sure he had something real comfortable. So for the parents out there who happen to not know about this shoe, I'm letting you guys know right now, this is the most comfortable pair you can possibly get your kid. You don't even have to worry about tying laces because these shoes don't even come with that. You'll see when you take a look. It's the most comfortable shoe ever. You never have to worry about laces. It's just perfect. The only thing is I wouldn't really recommend this winter time, outside when it's cold, when it's raining, when it's snowing, etc., etc. Otherwise, you're good to go. But anyways, let's take a look at these bad boys right here. This is a two-tone shoe, by the way. It is not one tone. You're gonna have to take a close look so you can see for yourself. And shout out to StockX. I got this via StockX. And shout out to DHL for the quick delivery. But here you go. Show you details of the box inside real quick. So I bought this in a size. What is it? 2Y. I purchased size 2Y. It says size 34 in the front. I don't know why. Maybe that's like European conversion or something. I don't even know. But there you go. And the way they designed this is so that you can see the word foam runners within the inside. Traditionally you see the silhouette being mentioned within the outside of the box. When it comes to this silhouette, it's in the inside. All right. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this pair real quick. You guys might be like, where's the two-tone? I don't know if you can see from this angle, so I'm going to show you up close real quick. This is two-tone. You guys see the two-tone? Alright, I already see differences in comparison to the adult sizes. Now, as you can see here, some of these holes seem to be covered up. See, like this one, for example. You can see here in the front as well. These holes aren't open, they're closed. Every single hole of the adult version, they're all open. Now I'm not sure if this colorway is made with foam and algae, but I know the Ararat, which is what I have right here, made with algae and foam. Super comfortable. They feel just about the same to me, just about, to be honest. Yeah, I can't tell a difference really between these two. This one's made in China, this one's made in the USA. I really don't know if the factories are using different materials or not. I really don't, I can't tell. Sorry guys, but I can't tell. I see on the internet that some people say this feels a little more rough than these, but this doesn't. I don't know if it's because I'm holding the kid size and I'm comparing it to an adult Ararats or not, but these two feel the same if you ask me. Yeah. What do you think about the colorway, man? Cop a drop? Let me know below in the comment section. When it comes to the adult size, of course, the parents, I'm telling y'all, you gotta get this for your kid. Summer's right here. Best choice if you ask me. Anyways, let's show you a non-feet close-up. How? Since I can't wear it, we're gonna present my son real quick. He'll do it for you guys.
Es que estos panchos yo los puncho como un pincho y los plancho, puncho limpio. Tu cuero está ancho como quiera el toto le hincho. Soy un tipo culto como ni sin bulto. Si tú eres alto, yo eres alto. En el asalto yo resulto. No hay guares que más ni se compare. Con las rimas malabares le dan malestares cuando viajo a diferentes lugares.
Designs locked in my closet, I'm opposite of dirty. Final pocket sneaker releases a season early, y'all remember. I had the high like low since September, comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter, Mars yellow with the Gucci sweater. A groupie fella, who does it better? I run tracks and acapellas. I run tracks and whack rappers in this era, cause I'm better. Get fed up, get wet up if you think you gon' play me in a setup.
Very comfy.
Well, there you have it, guys. Another review. It was short and sweet. And if you're brand new, please hit like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. We do giveaways on the first of every month. You would want to tune into that as well. And for that reason, hit the bell notification too. Thank you guys for tuning in. More videos coming up soon. Peace.